I went for a 2-week vacation to celebrate Holi in Vrindavan and I spent some time in Delhi as well. In this period, I met many people and who saw me working as well as enjoying my trip while I am traveling. Achuth, now we feel like learning digital marketing as well. How can we learn digital marketing? How much money can we expect to make as a fresher? Hello guys, this is Achuth Ramesh and I'm a freelance performance marketer. I keep on doing different things and I explore more of my life personally and professionally. In this YouTube channel, I talk about business, marketing, freelancing and things that I do to improve myself personally, which I share in this YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, then do subscribe. Okay, now let's get back to the video. The first thing that you need to understand is digital marketing is a vast domain. It's very big. It includes several branches like SEO, email marketing, influencer marketing, video editing, CRM management, and many more. So stay till the end of the video. The first course is for digital marketing specialization. This course is brought to you by University of Illinois and which is completely free of cost. In this course, you will learn from the industry experts and different skills that is in demand at the moment in the market, and you will master a subject or a tool with hands-on projects. And in addition to that, you will get a career certification from the University of Illinois. And in this certified course, you will learn about strategic marketing concepts and tools to address brand communication in a digital world. And this is a course which will help you to get a holistic approach to learn digital marketing, and this is completely beginner friendly and you just need to dedicate 10 hours a week for the next 4 months, and it has a very flexible schedule so you can do your work in the morning and learn and find out time to get this certified course. And the second is from the Klaviyo Academy for email marketing. Email marketing has been booming a lot lately. Email marketing is one such marketing where you own the audience, unlike other social media platforms where you don't have much control of your audience. It's the algorithm that dominates whom to target and when to target and how much money you're gonna spend. Klaviyo is an email marketing tool which everyone use for the email marketing purpose, and they have this academy called Klaviyo Academy where they have a lot of videos which teaches the people or audiences about the email marketing. As you can see that they have different levels as well. If you are email marketing in basics or you want to do it intermediate or in advanced level as well. So you have a lot of these things out here, lot of videos, free tools, how to establish your campaigns, how to set up those campaigns, how to do analytics, how to report. All this is out there in this completely for free of cost. And the third one is Ahrefs free blogging course. Listen up, if you're an aspiring blogger or want to be an SEO expert, this is the course that you need to subscribe to. Ahrefs is one of those tools which I learned or which I started to use when I started off as a digital marketer, and they had a lot of information. It had about traffic that it generates from a lot of things that you can't even imagine. Now let's see what are the things that they are going to teach. This course is for content marketing professionals, bloggers and freelance writers and digital marketing experts who want to be team leaders as well. It has 11 modules and has 40 lessons. Entirely it will take 4 hours and 50 minutes to complete this course. So what are you going to learn from this course? You will learn how to create blogging strategy that attracts potential customers, the content marketing playbook that helped Ahrefs to grow their organic traffic, and how you can get content traffic from search engine like Google, and how to find topics for your blogs. You will have all this information through this blog. So spend some time. It will just take almost like 5 hours to get this course done. So do it. The fourth one is social media strategy. Social media marketing as a whole is a very massive. This is a free marketing course and it will give you diploma in social media strategy. You'll be learning about how social media started off, how was the rise of the social media, how to do auditing for social media and setting up goals, selecting platforms, wide area networks, integrating marketing strategies, developing effective content and many more. After that, you will need to give a final assessment before you get the certifications. And the fifth one is about cold email marketing from Woodpecker Academy. When I started off as a freelancer, the one thing that I realized is that you don't get clients just from like Facebook groups or any social media. The best way to get leads is through cold email marketing. This course is from Camilla Burgill, in which she teaches about cold emailing and she teaches how to build effective cold email campaigns from very scratch. In this course, we learn about how to create a separate domain and how to do outreach from this domain. Because more often what happens is that when you start off doing email outreach and when you are not warming up your email ID, then it lands into the spam folders. To avoid that, all those steps are also being taught in this. That's particularly in the lesson 1. So many more things are covered in this course in detail. So do check it out. And the sixth one is Complete Guide to Copywriting. I'll be sharing two resources here. The first one is from Quick Sprout. This is a blog from Lars Lofgren. As a beginner, it will give you a lot of ideas about how to start with copywriting and how to get instant results as a beginner. And there are many additional resources that is attached to this blog, so check them out. And the next resource is from Very Good Copy. It has 6 micro courses which has insane amount of value that it can help you with as a beginner in the copywriting. Each of these 6 courses has focused on different aspects of copywriting. It includes conversions, it talks about the tonality that you need to follow, master the fascination, copywriting wisdom of the crowd, and how to write well from David Ogilvy. And the last and the 7th one is from PPC University, and this is the last resource that you have been waiting for eagerly, and it talks about performance marketing, and this resource is from PPC University by WordStream. It's not unlike any other video content or course. This is a series of expertly collated blogs which covers about PPC, and this course starts from the very beginning for beginner level to the advanced level, starting from PPC 101. And in the bottom, if you go, you will see that it has separate guide for Facebook ads as well. I know that everyone is looking out for video courses, but let me tell you that when I started off, it was the blogging courses or blogs that I used to read and learn from it, because blogs are very detailed and it covers a lot more than any video content. And another resource which I still go and refer is Surfside PPC, and it's one of the go-to place for any performance marketer. If you have any doubt, if you want to learn about any new technology, how to integrate ChatGPT with your performance marketing, how to shortlist keywords, everything is in this one. You should check this YouTube channel because it has a lot of information. Guys, I know that you want to make a lot of money, you want to excel in your career, but there's a saying or there's a quote that says that the magic that you are looking for is in the work that you are avoiding. So don't avoid these things. Without doing this, you can't go to that level. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet, then do subscribe, because your comments and likes is my way of understand that you are liking these videos. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.